Let's say trading great again. Future Thought has this to say. We watch all of your streams, cause it's not fun to trade alone. It wasn't just your trades, it's your blood, your sweat, your code. Patrick blazed the trail, roaring loud into the air. We've watched him carve his name, we've studied every stair. Now here we are, my brothers, future's floor is at your door. We've learned from all your battles, and we crave the trading war. Gonna take a chance and prove our name as a price to play this trading game. Future Store. Future Store, come and trade on the floor. Future Store, come and trade on the floor.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Well, for wood chip, it's only fitting. Oh, wrong camera. Hold on. What? No, I don't think it's the wrong camera. Is it? Problems again with the camera. Oh, of course there's problems with the camera. The camera's not even open. What an idiot. Oh well. Anyways, for wood chip, it's fitting. Wood chip. I'm starting my stream. And what's the price? $21,750. Who is this? This is the person who's taking over Mike's stream. Identify yourself, Coach Fred. Hold on. Here, I'll put you back to fake video. This is a fake video. If you look, my mouth's not moving while I'm talking. Well, I set up my camera. I was sure I set up my camera. You got hacked. Yeah, but we've identified the hacker. This is him. That's the hacker. We know where he lives. It's only a matter of time. No, I just didn't set up my camera. It's cold in the basement again. Let's go public. Who knows? What? It says that I'm in the room. I never disconnect. Okay. I didn't disconnect. There we go. And press that button. Minimize this. And are we on? Yeah, we are. Very good. Okay. That was easy, right? Put on my glasses so I can see my screen. Good morning, Skeleton Emperor. I can see my screens. So we did a kind of all-night stream yesterday. Well, I went till 4:34, I think 3:34 in the morning, whatever. And Woodchip was telling me, sell it now, put a tight stop, sell it now, put a tight stop, 750 target, 750 target, sell it now, over and over and over and over. Let's see. Where were we? We were in the 800s. I'm thinking, let's say 3:30 in the morning, somewhere around here. Sell it, sell it, sell it. You'll see 750. And lo and behold, look at that. But the thing is, I would have been stopped out because that went a little higher. He said it went to 850. So I would have been stopped out on the trade anyways. But he called the price. Good morning, the Saint. You can type in and say good morning if you're here. I got to get set up. That's not bad, eh? Price action for a Juneteenth day. 12.42 range on the 1 minute candles. Volume got better because it was minus 60,000. Now it's only minus 60. Still bearish, but rotating to the positive side. Yeah, so, and it's funny, you know what we were talking about? We were talking about how every time you take a trade, the market finds a way to stop you out and then go there. And here's exactly what happened. The market came lower. You'd set your stop at break even or something because it was around this area here. I don't remember exactly. I think it was, yeah, it was 3:30. I said I was going to stick around till 3:30. So we were around in this area here. And he was calling 21,750. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. But it would have went down and we would have moved the stop, of course, and stopped out. And what do you know? Does the old fake out. I'm back in routine. Okay, I recoded something. And I want to get it running right away. So we do immediately submit. I want to fix my accounts. That's funny. That's funny. I want to fix my accounts, reset them to 0. Edit account, the sim accounts. So I can watch them properly. Edit account. Reset, yes. Okay. Strategies. Hey, where'd the strategies go? They were there. It's so funny. I swear to God, they were there. Okay. Strategies. Let's load the long one first. Get it going. Oh, yeah, I get it now. Boom, Sim 101. There we go. It should go long. Perfect. Just like it's supposed to be. It's going to be doing 2 lots. And I have to put in a take profit. The take profit is going to be on the 4 lot. It's going to sell 1 at 10 points. 65, so like 75 here. Is this a 1? That's how it's going to be spaced out. That's good enough. Sell 1 at 75. Sell 1 at 85. And let the other 2 go. strategies. And I had to do the same thing for the short. So they run now on separate bots, the long and the short, because I was unable to do it. I was unable to do it combined. How many times are they going to say on YouTube about the view, the show is over? But they don't say it. They put a question mark. The show is over? Question mark. No, it's not. That's why you put a question mark. Whoopi's last day? Question mark. People don't read the question marks. If there's a question mark, it's clickbait. And the answer is no. Damn air conditioning. I think I am getting sick, number one. I was going to say, I'm going to get sick from the air conditioning so high. Problem is, it's not really so high. I'll tell you what it is. The room that I'm in now, the air conditioner works like nuts. This is the room that's always the coldest in the house. All the others are warmer, especially on the upper levels. So what happens is they pump it so that the upper levels can get cool, but then this room turns into a refrigerator. Okay, I sit here and I shiver. I'm not in the mood for this right now. That's finished. No more stream marathon. Come on, let's hit 75. That'll be a good 14 points for the first one. Wow, I have a gold chart that's like overhanging other charts. Save as, shouldn't be here. It's just changing its size. Renko gold? It's not Renko, it's Ninja. It's Ninja. Let's call it Ninrenko. It's Ninja Renko. Ninja Renko gold. Save. Now we can minimize it. Open in a new tab. Oh shit, I forgot the numbers. 24.6. 24.6 is not working out well. Anyways, get a new hey, what the hell? Template load. Ninzarenka gold load. Ninzarenka. Okay, what would be a good? Really, it went to green and black. That hey, let's get to our we should have been taken out already. Close. I want to watch it. I want to watch it. Boom. Took the first one out. There we go. Why that's good? Because it lowers the risk on the trade. Now take out the second one. And then we let it run. This one gets in really early and catches some nice runners. And the bands are the filters. I didn't have filters yesterday when I coded it, but since the bands are the filters, the trades that it would have caught was this move here, and this move here. And 4 bars is 10 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 15 points. That's 10 points. That's more than 15 points. That's probably 25 points. And right now we already caught our 10-pointer. Actually, because I got a better price, we got 15 points on the first one. But let's treat it with integrity. And since it entered at 65, yeah, 65, 85, that's perfect. 65, 85. There we go. Omnius, good morning. Didn't you say you were taking the day off? How about 20 and 5 instead of 20 and 4? Good morning, Omnius. Oh my God, it's 9:19 already. Shit, damn. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm changing things. I'm asleep. Yeah, don't blame me though. I went, like I said, till 4 in the morning. Okay, we're gonna look at gold at a 25. I think 25 is good. That's 250. I don't have a 1-minute chart on gold, eh? So data series change this to 25. This is what I mean by 25. 20 and 5. He makes me laugh. Ting, I got a message. My pizza's ready. I'm not eating pizza. Hey, I love it. Thank you. Good morning, Mario. Mario, messages that long in the morning, I can get a headache. I can get a headache, Mario. Good morning. Was supposed to get into the 8:45 push-up, but these kids been running around, so let's see when the next big week created for me to take an opportunity. How's your day going? Not too bad. I streamed till 4:30 in the morning. I'm exhausted. My eyes are burning. And my brain's not working straight. But I'm good. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. What chip was calling the 20,750 level? Yeah, I try to do it once a week. I call it the all-night party stream, or the all-night party stream, the all-night streaming party. I don't know, something like that. So what chip was calling? That's what it is. What chip? I'm going to give him credit all day long today. 21,750 last night at 2 from like 2:30 in the morning. This is the 5-minute chart. So like from around this area here, 2:30, 3:30, he was calling it, Mike, sell one, and then just cash it out at 21,750 in the morning. And lo and behold, look at that. Not only was he right, he was right on the timing also. Good for him. I hope he took advantage of it. I wouldn't be surprised if he did, actually, because he was trading good yesterday. And he wanted to do just the one lot of micro and make like $200 in his funded account. So we'll see if he wakes up. He's in California, so it's 6 in the morning there. So he went to bed around 1. If I went to bed at 4, he went to bed at 1. And That's it. That's it. That's it. Swing. No, not swing. Swing. Butter. You know, like swing, batter. I have to explain everything to everybody. That's the new algo. Corrected. Improved. Split up between longs and shorts on different algos because I couldn't get them to be combined for the strangest reason. I have no idea. They should work. I've been coding long enough to know how to put in an exit order, but unfortunately it was doubling up in size. Fuck off, 9 hours of sleep. I had, I don't even know what I had. I think I had 2. I say I went to bed at 4 o'clock, which I did. But I didn't go to bed. I was listening to a video about simulation theory. The guy was saying it was supposed to be a new one with new information on how we're not NPCs, non-playing characters. You're built different. Yeah, I'm older. Old people don't need a lot of sleep. Yeah, but they were just rehashing old information about simulation theory. There was nothing new there. I got nothing to tell you about nothing new to tell you about simulation theory. Coffee is spectacular. Not sure if my it's all sim. Yeah. Well, there's good arguments for it. There really are. But I think in a court of law they would call it conjecture. You know, they make some assumptions. Kind of sound good, the assumptions they make, but not sure if they're logically valid. I didn't pay close enough attention to remember, but they were making assumptions that because this looks like this and this is this and this looks like this, then this must be this also. No, that's not how the world works. It doesn't have to be. Hey! Oh no, I thought we hit the next tech profit on the algo. The algo's gonna catch good moves, guys. I got so many algos to test. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. We're stopping with the new ideas. What chip was going to give me another multi-time frame idea? But I think we're going to have to take a break, and we're going to have to test these out properly. Prove what's real, that life is real, or that the simulation is, that we live in a simulation. That we don't, yeah. Well, the one question I always have is, or thought, not a question, if we live in a simulation, that means you're part of my simulation. You don't exist, Omnius. But the thing is, if you exist, if you actually exist and you're hearing this conversation, you're saying the same thing. Then I'm part of your simulation. Now I just got to figure out if you exist. But even if I see you, even if I give you a pat on the shoulder, you're still just part of my simulation. There's no way for me to prove that you exist. And while I'm giving you that pat on the shoulder, there's no way for you to prove if you exist, and you're experiencing it, and you're saying the same thing, and there's no way to prove I'm not part of your simulation. No, it has to do with quantum physics. What does it mean to see? Oh, yeah, exactly. Oh my God, my God, my God, my God. These topics are insane. Because yeah, our brain just decodes information. That doesn't mean what we're seeing is what's there. It's just the way we decode the information. You know, a cat sees differently, and he thinks that's what the real world looks like. This is what the world looks like in what we labeled the visible range of light. But even sound, they said sound, the world is we live in a silent world. Hold on, I should be short 4. Why is it not short 4? Did I not enter it in right? Oh, no. I covered 2. It's not short 4. Look, I'm giving back stupid profits. Anyways, I covered 2 by accident, and I didn't remember. Yeah, because I'm doing it manually. Yeah, they said we live in a silent world. Our brain picks up vibration and converts it to sound, but it's just vibration. There is no sound. It's just how we register it. That blew my mind. But no, I don't know if anybody's up on there on the latest quantum theory, not developments or something, but everything is a wave function. It collapses when you observe it. And they're saying that's basically what a computer game does. It only renders. Oh, it collapses, yeah, when you observe it. Only when there's an observer. Until then, it's a wave function. A wave function means it exists in all its possible probabilities. So the argument is, well, first off, it has to be a simulation, because how do they know the probabilities of something happening if they didn't already run the simulation many times? Well, I think that's wrong. If you have a coin, I don't have to run the simulation to know that it can land on one side or the other. So much for that. Yeah, they said, so that's basically, oh, well, now I'm down. No, it doesn't make a sound. Even if someone's there to hear it, it makes a vibration. It never makes a sound. That's why that's more true than, it's like we use that expression, question, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't make a sound if no one hears it. And that's wiser than I think people realize, because it's actually talking about the fact that The tree only makes a vibration. It doesn't make a sound. We interpret that vibration as sound. If our sensors were different, maybe we could have visualized what actually happened. If that's what our sensor can pick up, and then there wouldn't be sound. There would just be visualizations of the vibrations. 9:33, the market is open. No one told me. Pretty decent volatility. Oh, look, a partial fill. The cancer of Ninja Trader. What never happens with Topstep. Short at 63. I'm short at 60. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. So I gotta add at 66 just to be even. Hopefully not. Or just get out. What do you think about that? Just get out. Get out, make a quick buck. So what's going on with gold? Gold's looking for an opportunity to trade. I have to set times, and I have to set the take profits. I'm trying to run that manually. Yeah, quantum physics is just insane. The quantum world. There's a whole bunch of insane concepts. Quantum physics can bend your brain and give you a headache. The concept of infinity is another one. Simulation theory. All these ideas, all these things that I have curiosities about. Delicious. Well, we're going to come back to trading like normal on what day? On Friday. Today's kind of a take it easy day. Take it easy. Because yesterday was a bit of a disaster. It's so funny. What? Welcome or hi, Butters? Who's in the room? I haven't created a sound. I don't know who's in the room, but yeah, it's true. I did this last night. Okay, so you know how I have the push. Do we have enough people here? You know, I have this one here.
Push. Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
So we got to create another one for butter stunts. Let's create one for everybody. But I was working on the one for butter stunts. I don't know if you know butter stunts, Garrett. So we got his image. There we go. There's Butters. There's butter stunts. Wearing my badge number from when I was a floor trader. But we got to create the sound. And the sound, well, I know what it's coming. Or we got to create the vibration. Let's stay consistent with what we were saying. I created a wood chip also, but he didn't like it. Hey, you guys want to see wood chip? Hold on. I'm going to just change it out. The Butters one. Browse. There he is. I'm in for the big push down. Here's wood chip, but he doesn't want me to use it. I like it. I think it's funny. Except for on his shirt, it looks like a pile of poop. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Maybe it's a woodworking thing. Who knows? By the way, both those two, that's not really butter stunts or wood chip. That's just an AI creation. I just said, make me a picture of a man, and I described the man. 40-year-old, curly, twirly mustache, stuff like that. Okay, gold. Gold should have had the strategies going, because I'm sitting here yapping a 4-lot, Sim 102. And we're going to short it immediately. Sitting here yapping, and meantime, gold is running. Wow, look at this move down. Look at this volatility. Go figure. Who would have expected this? It's as if the markets are open. That's pretty good. 11 points. Let me see what look what the 15 is doing. Omnius is distracting me. Trading below previous day's close. Price is right now at 21,730, the low of the day. We're trading below the London lows. London got below the Asia lows. We're trading below the previous day's low. We're trading below VWAP. We kind of traded lower, made a little bit of a pullback, took out that low, made a bit of a pullback. So we went down to 21,000, let's say 790, pulled back up to 900, went down to 780, pulled back up to 862 about, instead of 900, and now this move from 862 is bringing us down to 21,730, which is where we're trading right now, 21,730. So the numbers are off on Sim 101 because I accidentally, or I forgot how it's supposed to work, and I thought it was supposed to be short, so I added a short when I shouldn't have, and yada, yada, yada. Again, we're not getting a clean picture of what these algos or bots can do. That's a shame. Well, anyways, eventually, that's what beta testing is for, right? You guys want to see the final results? Just stay tuned. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's just going to take time. Nothing good comes easy. So gold is going to take, I got to get the gold chart up so you guys can watch it also. Gold's going to take a partial maybe soon. But gold should have been short at, holy mother of God. I don't even want to say the mistake that I made. But let's just say we have to close gold. Okay. Interesting. You know what? Maybe this was maybe this happened for a reason. Holy shit. Wow. Chart looks great. I love the setup. Then I realized I'm on MES. So maybe that just gave me an idea to trade it on MES. I'll put up a gold chart and an MES chart. Right now, we're going to just label it as MES so I know, and then I'll copy the chart and name it gold. You know what? Sometimes the best discoveries are accidental discoveries, right? What? I'm hearing somebody. There we go. Now we got to take the algos off. Remove. I'm not going to run them today, but that's fascinating. Really is. Okay, duplicate in new tab. That's right. Okay, so let's see, this should be short now. That's perfect. We're short at the right price. And 18, let's cover 1 at 08. See, I'm doing that manually because I didn't code that in yet. Buy limit 08 and 98. Yeah, whatever. Doesn't have to be exact. I don't feel like fidgeting. Okay, and the first thing we want to do is we actually want to change it to gold. Okay, there we go. Yeah, gold's not as pretty. I don't know, maybe I need larger bars. 25. 40-10? Anybody want to try 40-10? Let's try 40-10. 2-minute orb, one again, and you didn't bring it up. Well, if you didn't bring it up, if a tree falls in the woods and no one hears it, it didn't make noise if you didn't bring it up. So I could take advantage of it. It didn't happen. 9:30, 9:32. Yep. Okay, let's get it. Let's get a 2-minute ORB going. I was pooping. I can smell it to here. Could have at least sprayed the spray. You know, that's floral spray, so it makes the smell of shit and flowers combined. Nothing better than that. MGC 4020, no, edit. Data series 4010. Is that what we're doing in MNQ? Yeah, 40. Wow, 4010, that's $6. That's pretty big. But it'll lower the amount of trades. And gold is in and up. So we want to make this the close, not the high. Oh, that's another error of the code. Okay, come on, let's trade lower. Wow, look at that, look at that. We took one out. It's performing phenomenally. If I can get gold going, we'd also be doing good. If you're not paying attention, you're missing out. There we go. We took our double. Now what it's going to do is when it actually closes out the runner, it's going to close out a 4 because it doesn't know I'm manually exiting the 2. So I'm going to be long 2. I'm going to have to sell them right away when it happens. And let's just call it gold. You don't like the 2-minute average. It's a diamond hand trade. No, why diamond hands? 2 minutes. You have to. How long did you have to hold for? Explain me the rules. Why aren't you in the public chat room? Are you streaming? I'm all disorganized. Look at it go. Look at it go. This strategy is a diamond hand strategy. You know how big this runner would have been if we didn't have that green bar, but still we're catching. No. I don't know what the no was for. No, are you streaming? No, are you coming in the room? Or explain me the rules. Probably. Explain me the rules. No. For the 2-minute ORB. Why is it diamond hands? Are you holding till the end of the day? Put on a shirt and get in the public chat room. You can tell me how great my bot is going. Look at that, boys and girls. 2 micros, $180. Are we killing it or what? Hands free. You know, like they say for the what's that group there with the hands up, baby, hands up? Isn't that the song for one of the vacation places? A place that's expensive, but everything is look at the dump. Yeah. Yes, I know, and I'm not getting any of it. Disorganized again. Having a good time making jokes instead. Woo! 229, crushing it, crushing it, crushing it. When do I cover? When the algo covers. Let it go. Filled Friday opening gap. There we go. There it covered. We're long two. I got to get out of them because it's not supposed to be long two. Come on, get me out for a little profit because last time I made a mistake, it'll kind of balance it. Let's go, you stupid. Boosh. Boosh. Wow, it's pretty erratic, the price action. I don't want this to turn into a loser. Okay, close. There we go. Oh, shit, close. Now I got to enable the things. I got to put in that... I have to put in the take profits. I can't run it manually like that. That's too much to ask of me. Maybe it was Sunday opening gaff. I don't care. Okay, we're ready to go short again. Gold, I don't think that's the right numbers to use. How about 32 and 8? That's 40. That's $4. I'll go with 32 and 8. That's a lot of money to lose in gold, though. $4, that's 40 per micro. What do we have going on over here? 50. No, wait a minute. Is that going to lose $7? Was that a $7? Let's just, anyways, let's change it and see. Yes, I'm doing a lot of thinking out loud. 32 and 8. That's what we do when we stream, because otherwise it would be silent on the chat. 70, let's call it 78. 83. Okay, let's call it 78. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $50. And here is it. How many points is that? 52 to 70, 1836. It's a little more conservative. Anyways, we'll leave it at that for now. Maybe 32 and 8 is good for ES also. Instead of 20 and 5, 4 points. I'll have to look at the ATRs and okay, let's see if we can catch another move. Short at 72, I got 76, 4 points better. I'm going to do 5 lots. I want to see what 5 lots will do. I can add here, and it stopped out. That's it. We wait for the next trade. That was quick. We are 4 long. Why are we 4 long? Oh, yes, 4 long. That's correct. $86, $96 is the sell limit. And 06. Let's put him in. It's been lucky. Let me take it here also. There we go. Let's go for a run. Mm-hmm. 86. What am I long at? 85. Okay, that's what I wanted. I wanted a 5 lot, didn't want a 10 lot. Let's see what we get. And when it's time to refresh my coffee, I'm going to get myself a sweater. There's no adding on this system. That's something I like. And we're going to change. We're not going to make it aggressive. I made it aggressive. We're going to make it less aggressive. I want bigger bands. Maybe even the Ninja 4010 SMA 14957. Okay, let's change the SMA. 14. Interesting numbers. 9, 5, 7. Okay, here we go. SMA 14957 template. Save. Well, we're not going to call it default, but we'll call it omnius. Save. Okay. Oof. I think I like the default better. Okay, so it took out a piece. I took out a piece. That's very close. The dotted line is going to be running on the, it's going to be it's tracking the moving average line way too close. You know, like look at this whole period over here. You can barely see it. So that's 14957. What was the default again? 21. I think we need some kind of in between, at least for me. You know what they say, make it your own. I'm making it my own. So don't roll your eyes and say those are the wrong numbers. I like more clarity, more space between the lines. I want it to be a little slower. Wow, Sim 101 is actually absolutely killing it. Gold, gold, gold. Let me tell you what gold would be. Gold would be just neutral right now. And I'm sitting here. Okay, waiting. Let's try and get 06. This can make me a better trader. I'm going to catch bigger moves. So, just to give you a recap again, where price is at. Price is at 697, 21,700 right now. Markets opened at 21,790 and we traded lower all the way to 21,650. Again, as a reminder, we're below the London and Asian lows. London's low is lower than the Asia session low, and we're under London lows right now. Trading at 21,700. We bottomed at 21,650 so far in this move, so we made about a 50-point retrace, about a third. So if you want to visualize a tumble and 1/3 recovery with price at 21,750 now. A 150-point move down, 50-point move up. Let's get out. Let's get above 700 to 706. Wow, gap fill 960 with the open at 800. See, when it's 150 points away, gap fill is not as likely to happen as when it's only 20, 30 points away. I wish I could find that study. Okay, so it covered. So I have to get out. Close. That's cool. Close. Let me load it up again. And here's the thing. 10 a.m. news. Very unlikely there's news. Trade at 86. One lot. Fuck you with your one lots. This is 8 points better if I can get filled. But we're 3 points away from where I got filled. Who doesn't love Ninja Trader for that, huh? Or if they do it on purpose. Ugh, cold. Partial fill. I should be up $100. Instead, I'm only up 17. There, yeah, of course. Now it gives me the full fill. So I can take a loss. That's okay. I'm down $44. Price is still trading at 21,697. Having a bit of a hard time getting over 21,700. Omnis, if you're still there, did you hear the story how Woodchip was calling for 21,750 all night yesterday? Like from 2:30 in the morning and on. When got in front of my computer, I think it was around 9:10. That's where we were at, 21,750. What a call. What a call. Okay, this is a poor trade. Yeah, it was amazing. He was even saying, before you go, take a one lot. Just do it. Take it. I said, nah, I can't do it. It's not in my bag of tricks. 750. He was screaming. We were laughing. Actually, we were laughing about it. He was doing it so much last night. We'll see when he logs in if he took. I think he said he was going to take a 1 micro or 2 micro and just let it go. The thing is, he also stayed up kind of late-ish, not as late as me, because he's 3 hours. He's on Pacific time, I think it is. He's 3 hours before me. But he'll probably, he might wake up around now. It's 7 o'clock for him. We'll see when he comes in the room and see if he got that. Come on, trade lower. I got a shitty fucking entry. I chased because I got angry. Ooh, pull. Pull. Let's see if that works. Pull it lower. Pull it lower. $80. $81. Let me just lighten up a little bit. This is way too many contracts. And I don't want to do that. You didn't fill me. Yeah, it's true. It's been a while now that I said, you know what? It's very hard to get filled on the bid and on the offer now with Ninja Trader. I think I'm just gonna have to do market orders to exit. Come on, trade lower, sell it. Let's go take out those lows again. Can't take out lows forever, but let's take them out again for now. 87. Sell in the vibration area. I hope it doesn't get me into trouble. Doo-doo-doo-doo. 72 bid is doable. There's a good probability we see 72 bid. No, you got me. You got me, you got me. Take me out. Okay, I'm gonna try the inside bar long. Oh, look at that, eh? Okay. Yeah, me too. We also got a trade over here at 90. So it's 700. 99. Let's get over 700. That's when I'll take out a piece on Sim 101. Let's do it at 70125. There we go. That's a piece. The next piece is at 711, 710. There we go. I'll take out a 5 lot. I think I'll let the next piece go. Hey, 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 hey. Is it weird that we were dumping on a holiday? Jeppa, I don't know. I don't track that. You'd have to tell me. It's weird that there's this much movement on a holiday. At least in my opinion. I'm very surprised that we have this much range. I mean, it's not that much. It's 650 to 790, 140 points. But the candles are pretty big. Gold's quiet, but the markets are moving. Minus 1.2%. Oh yeah, it's true. I wanted to set up a 2-minute ORB just to remind me. That's going to be hard to do on the 1-minute candle. Opening range 930 and 932. Let's just see what that looks like, just as a reminder. Yeah, I'm never going to remember. There's no way I'm going to remember and catch it from that. It's too small to see. We're going to hit that 710. I feel it. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. And I gotta recover some losses, so let me get in it. There we go. Now let me get out at 710. And I hope that doesn't screw me. You know what's going to happen? It's going to pop. It's going to pop and drop. Hey, that's my expression. Pop and drop. It's going to do a pop and drop. Ooh, we tagged it. On the bottom chart, you can see. Uh-oh. Come on, give a big expansion candle up to 740. And Q minus 1.2%. Sell limit 1150. I still think we pop. It's going to be like a burp. I already called the pop and drop, but wow. Look how good this Sim 101 is doing, eh? 6, 5, 7. Well, push it. Well, push it higher. 9, 10. Back down to 7. Still didn't take me out of 10, eh? And I'm offering a 10 on the lower chart there. That's crazy. It hit 10 like 3 times. I bet topstep would have taken me out. 9 on the offer, 950, 975, 1075. Killing it with the algo, though, guys. Killing it. Compared to how the other numbers have been, swear to God. And there's probably easy $100 of losses that shouldn't even be there. Easy. I don't know why I'm sitting here freezing. I should just go get my sweater. There's 11. Okay, let me set the quantity to 2. What's it going to do? It's going to sell 4. We're going to be short 4, so I'm going to have to buy 2. That's just to keep it even. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's in the right place. Okay. Recovered most of my losses. You know what? Now's a good time to go and refresh my coffee. And what else? Get my sweater. Be back in 2 minutes. I think I'm back. That's sound. There we go. Where's your coffee? Here. I'm just taste testing it for you. And it's delicious. So I'm looking at the bot and I'm thinking, wow, it's really catching some solid moves. And it's doing phenomenally well for the amount of risk it takes. And another market that runs nice is crude. Maybe not so much gold, but definitely crude. I gotta find a number for crude. Okay, we're short too. We have to buy them back. Come on, go a little lower. Okay, we don't want to make profit on that. We just want to get out of them because we're not supposed to be in them. That's because, again, I'll remind you, I am manually taking the partials because I didn't code that in. And the trade triggered at 700, exactly. Not sure if I want to take it 700. It's a round number. Anyways, I want a better price. There we go. That's a better price. 706.50. With 710 as an ad. And let's see if we can get down to 93 bid. That'll be not bad, but let me double up on this one and keep my fingers crossed. Keep my fingers crossed. There's my ad. Come on, go red. On my top step chart again. Don't have to punish me on every time I take a little bit of a bigger trade. Let me improve my, even 10 lot is a bigger trade. I shouldn't be bigger than a 10 lot. So let me try and improve my price. No, market's figured out. I had more than I was supposed to. And gave me another fucking losing trade. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, long. Let's go with that one then. Not crazy about this one. Actually, 715. We stalled out over here a little bit. I think a 5 lot is good enough. I think a 5 lot is good enough for this one. Because we've been stalling out on this swing high over here. You can see it's been proving to be a little bit of a problem, which means we're either going to get a nice expansion candle. We're going to get a nice expansion candle. Or we're just going to break lower again. Let me get out of one. Once you're on a Renko, everything else just looks messy. Oh my God, yeah. And the thing is, there's so many false breaks of the lows and the highs of the previous candles, at least on the 1 minute. I mean, on all time charts. Since I'm watching the 1 minute. It's so much easier to just follow price and take trades based on price. And, you know, you're pretty much compartmentalizing price into blocks. Makes the decision making easier. I think more people don't use it. It's because they're just not used to it. Okay, while we're letting this trade work, let me take a quick look at the 15-minute. Maybe we bounced off the bottom there. I don't really know. Let me take a quick look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute is short. 2-minute is long. And if the 2-minute is long, most likely the 1-minute is long, and the 1-minute is long. I should stay on this chart here, actually. Let's see if we can get 21 on the offer. 17, 19, 21 is a 70% probability, I think. Yes, we're above the bands. 21 is the 70% probability because it triggered at 14. 1950, 20. I'll take one out at 21. Hopefully be 20 and a quarter, 20 and 3/4, 22. There we go. There's your 70% probability. Down below in the Renkos, it's long at 17. So I'm going to put one over here and sell one lot over here for taking partials. See if we can catch it. I thought we just got one. I thought we got our first partial, but no. Oh, I'm long a 3 lot. Really? Up here? At 26, I guess I'll take one out also. Sell limit 25. Sell limit 30. And sell limit 35. Hey, it's true. I have an ATM that does that. Let's load it up. Let's have some fun with that, and let's get the sounds going again since no one's in the room. Tools, options, general. Let me move that over here. Come on, get up there. Take me out, at least of the first one. It reduces risk. I like to reduce risk. Nothing else I care about except reducing risk. Tools, options. I don't even know if it saved it. Last time I did okay, and it didn't even save it. Yes, it did. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see what happens. Just sitting here at 21. I'm trying to get to 25. 28 is a 50% probability. Ooh, don't want to lose on this though. Let's get one out. Uh-oh. There we go. For now. I'm looking for 726 and 740. You're looking for it. I can help you find it. 726 is just above 725, and if you're looking for 740, you'll see that about 15 points over 14 points over 726. Okay, it's a dad joke. Let me get rid of one of these. 1030. Wow, the 15-minute ORB worked nice, eh? And where's my range? I created a range here. Or was it in this one here that I created it? Yeah, it was in this one here. Well, we got to create it in both of them. Oh, okay, there we go. Took one out. That's good. Not all my jokes can be good. While we wait for the other TP to be taken out. We're going to add the opening range on this 1 minute candle, the 2 minute opening range, 931. To 932. Yes, for, oh wow, came all the way back down. Okay. Well, if it comes down, yeah, that's it. If it comes down and we're getting a rejection, I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in it. So there's the range. So what are the rules for taking profit on the 2 minute ORB? Is it just is it as simple as just drawing a fib and going for a 1-for-1 on the full range, you know, something like that? Or are we waiting for a close on the 1 minute candles below the range, or is it just a tick below it gets us in? How are we getting in? How are we getting out? While we're waiting for the markets to get lower. Anyways, we'll take the one lot there just to flatten the position. It's supposed to be flat. There we go. Well, next trade I'm looking for is a long. We're above the bands, so this is just a little bit of a pullback. Hopefully, as we continue higher. If we don't continue higher, well, then hopefully we don't get faked out. I'm in at 690 long, took half off at 726. Gold went short at 33.84. It's more than $4 better. How did MES do? Nothing. No trade yet on MES. Inside bar trade. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, I see it. You know, I keep saying the second trade is always so much sweeter than the first trade. The 5 minute is short. So we come down to the 2 minute. And I don't know if you guys heard me the other day. I'm saying, okay, if the higher time frame is short, wait till we get above a swing high on a lower time frame. And then take the first Heikin-Ashi candle lower. Well, here's the first Heikin-Ashi candle lower after the retrace, I guess we'll call it, into the swing high. And it's a loser because I would set my stop here. But the second one, beautiful. And then here we have our next setup. We break the swing high. There's the first one. It's a loser. But the second one now is showing to be a good winner. And it's just so crazy how often that happens. Stay away from the first trade. I think they know what the first trades look like on a lot of setups because they're mostly the same. Doesn't matter if I'm using Heikin-Ashi. I'm sure if I'm on the 1 minute candle or the 1 minute regular chart, regular candles, same thing with the 2 minute, you'd kind of find the same types of setups in the same places. And that's what they do. Look at that. We broke the trend line to the downside. Interesting. MES might get a short, but I'm not trading it. I think that's too many points anyways. MES, I think we have to change to 16.4. That's 5 points. That's enough. It's even more than 5 points, actually. The reverse, it's still 69 to 75, 6 points. Okay, that's good. 5,050, it's 0.1%. Okay, yeah, that's good. Even 0.1%, though, that's kind of a lot. Anyways, let us focus on NQ for today. So if you're just looking at the higher time frame, just one, oh no, they're both short now. 2-minute ORB, take break of the ORB high-low. Half of an ATR profit, half of the side break, stop. Okay. And I assume we're doing it on the 2-minute chart. So let's put up the ATR on the 2-minute chart. I'll forget. So if I ask you again, because I think you've told me this already a few times. 9:30. Yeah. So the ATR is like what here? 13 points. Okay, so you're going for only like 6 points in this case. Let's get back on the 1-minute chart. We keep trading lower. What am I looking for? 86. Hey, stop moving there. 86 for evals only. Only evals. Not financial advice. And no, for entertainment only. That's what it is. Do not copy our trades. I am not a financial advisor. Neither is Omnius. We actually tried to get our license and we failed the exam. We're very bad. We're very bad role models. Entertainment only. Wow, it's amazing. When the markets are falling, all I got to do is sell, and I always can pick up the bottom. Yeah, that's why I got to get in early and not chase. Thankfully, this is only a 3-lot. 94 I can add. And at 700 I have to cover. Which we're almost at. That's a throwaway of 100 on an eval only. That's it. Okay, that's a strong candle. Woo, look how nice that is. 0313. Let me get rid of one here. And the next one is at 23. Sell limit. I love this algo, baby. Let me sell a 2-lot, a 1-lot over here. Well, we'll do a 2-lot. Sell market. Okay, well. Did I learn my lesson not to chase? Probably not. I don't know. When will I learn that lesson to stop chasing and just wait for a setup? I keep burying myself under shit. When you really, you have the same fucking problem. I've never seen you chasing. least I can't recall. You know what? While I'm sitting here, 265, let me get out. I'm going to code in to take the partials. Strategy builder, it's not going to take long. It's going to take 2 seconds. I'll probably make mistakes, but let me code it in. Hi, Luigi. Love it. That second bullet point is fantastic now. Long. Next. Okay, so duplicate new. Remove. If we are long, exit long position by limit order. Let's do TP size. One. What happened? Let's just close. Edit. Hey. Let's try and get it ready in time for the next trade. 4. Okay. Oh, we're going to have a problem. You see here, it's the repeat problem. I can see it already. I'm going to put in I don't know why NinjaTrader has such problems like this. I can tell you MT4 never did. Anyways, let's just do our best, and then we'll fix it next time better. So if we're long, let's exit the long position by a limit order. TP size, limit price, average position price plus 40 ticks. That's 10 points. Okay. Okay. Back. Let's make that a variable. TP 1 ticks. 40. Okay. Add TP 2 ticks. The other one will be 80 for 20 points. Okay. Hooray! Oh no, it's not going to enter. Or what's the I missed it by a second. There's the compile. But let me see. Hold on. What's the thing? Yeah, it would have entered. Callis. Ah, Lord. Anyways, it's okay. There will be more trades, a wise man once said. Okay, let me short, long. See, this is wrong. Shouldn't be there. We'll get out of them. Strategies. Long. Four, 1, 40, 80. Wait until flat. That's good. Take out the 3. Okay. Let's get back to trading. Where are we? What are we doing? Let's take a look at the 2-minute. The 2-minute is short. That means the 1 minute, short. Sure, we didn't get above, but that could have been a trade over there. We can have another trade if that turns bearish. The 2-minute is short and the 5-minute is short. Let's just reconfirm that. Get back onto the 1 minute, and there's a bearish candle. I'm gonna get faked out. No continuation. Come on, that looks like a rejection at 7:10. Stop making my life difficult today. Actually, it looks like a rejection on the 2-minute and on the 1 minute. Okay. Let's go with that thinking. And oversize again. Okay, I'm out of my oversizedness. Now let's see a trade lower with a 7 lot. And actually, if we can get down to 07 minus 14, how much is that? 93. If we can get down to 93 on the offer, I'm going to add, believe it or not. Believe it or not. Yeah, I'm going to add. Guys, if you're not in a trade, you're just looking at price, click the like button if you can. YouTube gives me $100 for every click of the like button. And I'm saving up all those $100 bills to buy eval so I can give them out to you guys as giveaways. Does anybody believe me? I am short at 04. I guess a close above 10. 710, I'm out. Where the hell is Woodchip? He sleeps in. He gets me to stay up till 4 in the morning. For him, it's only 1 in the morning. Easy breezy for him. When he sleeps in, if I had his phone number, I would ring it and wake him up. You gotta be kidding me. Why does it do that so often? This looks like it wants to go higher. Buyers are coming in quickly. Actually, the sellers are coming in also. Let me get out of this trade. I'm not in a good spot on this trade. And I do have to say it does look like it wants to go higher, so. Three long. Who's long? Ah, yeah. Yeah, I'll go as long. And we missed it. We missed it because I was changing my code. See, that would have been more. Oh, yeah. That would have been more green to add to Sim 101, which didn't get done because I was coding and I missed it. It's too bad. It would have been a really good day for that algo at its low lot size. It's a shame. If I chase, I chase. Therefore I am. So am I chase or do I have a plan? Yes. What was I going to say? There's a video I should send you. Hey, let me see if I can find it. I think I have it on my, wow, nice move. Yeah, I'm not chasing. I'm letting it go. Let's load it up. I'll put you the URL.
You are attacking a stock. You have to think of it from day one of.
I think you guys are hearing that, eh? That's funny. Okay, now you won't hear it. Hey, what happened to all my ninja? Oh, yeah. I'm getting you a video. Stick around. Don't leave. I'm going to get you the link at I mean, watch it from the beginning, but I'll get you the link to the part I want you to see most. Do you know Bulls on Wall Street? Kunal Desai? I used to watch him a lot. I liked him. He was entertaining. Let's take again a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes still short until we get above the swing high. Two-minute is bullish. 1 minute bullish. Actually, I'm not even sure. How did you get beat up? It just went up. I'm not sure if this is the video. I think he renamed it and reposted something else. Oh, okay. You know, I don't think I need the 5 minute. I have the 5 minute over here. I don't need that. This is a redundant chart. Let's get rid of it. Well, looking for a bit of a retrace and then continuation. I'll get back in. Nice. Good one. I want to see bearish bar here on the Renko. So I can finally apply the strat and see if my new coding is working. So close. 1, 2, 3, 4. So close. There we go. Hey, what do you mean 3 long? What's going on 3 long? Nope. I give up, guys. I don't know how to code anything anymore. Okay, we'll try. We'll see. I just made another change. No, I don't have the video. I guess he changed it out. It was by Bulls on Wall Street, Canal Desai, and he used to say, you chase, you die. He says it 3 times. You chase, you die. And then he goes, hi, my name is Kunal, and I'm a chaser. $6.80. Oh, wow, the 2 minute and the 1 minute are very similar. Hmm. $21.35. If we get up to 35, I'm going to have another long entry. Wow, there's nothing, eh? Just kind of like what I always like to see. No VWAP in the way. No previous day's close in the way. No IB in the way. No London lows in the way. Free to move to any level, but the problem is it's a holiday and it's quiet. Hmm. We have to get a good price. That's the only thing that matters. Is this a good price? Can I sell for a premium? Yeah, fight for price. I agree, Omnius. FFP. I have that written down in a lot of places. Fight for price. Yeah, no, I listened to the video. I don't have it. Oh, well. Hmm. Yeah, I used to like his videos. I used to like, he had a trading room. It was very entertaining. Kunal Desai. Okay, I think I know what's okay, the 1 minute has a swing low, the 2 minute doesn't, and we're breaking below it. So my theory is that given that the 2 minute is bullish, now that we break below, then we want to buy the next bullish candle because this is a retrace. Let's see how that works out. Yes, Omnius, we should remind each other of that very often. Have to get a good price. That's the only thing that matters. came in the chat and everyone else ran away. No, I mean, they're slowly, you always wear a tie when trading? No, it's a sweater. I'm cold. Ah, you're so funny. I'm cold. I'm in a room where the air conditioner in the house is insane. Okay, you know what, gold? Goodbye. Goodbye, gold, for now. I don't even want to watch it. Oh shit, I forgot about this. Let's check it out. Winner, winner. Winner. Wow, would have crushed it today. One loser for one bar. Eee. And it would be long right here also. That's version 2 of Madman Antonio Algo, which also I got to get back to. That's why I said, you know what? Fuck gold. I'm not going to always wear a tie. Fred. I say we're going to form a bullish bar here. Or this is going to form a bear flag and crush me. We'll see. I'm going against, I'm getting in early. That's another. You chase, you die. You get in early, you die. Okay, there we go. We broke the high of the previous candle. That's good. It's 91 at my house and you're cold. Yeah. I would say that the room I'm in right now is probably 73 degrees. 70, somewhere in there. That was a nice catch. I'll let the rest go. There we go. Okay, 4 lot. Why didn't it put in the take partial? Maybe on the next candle close. Let's see. I'll give it one more candle to close. Hopefully we close up the next candle. And it puts in a take partial order. Come on, push, 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 push. If not, then there's an error with that also. There we go. Look at that. Okay. There we go. Nice. That was a nice trade, guys. Thank you, Mike. Hey, what's going on? Thank you, Mike. That was a beauty. So now I got to put in the other take partial at 20 points higher since the first one worked. But let's see if it gets out for the right size. 91. The luxury of living in Florida. Please, if you exit the trade, get out for a 3 lot and not a 4 lot. Come on. Hit the turn bearish. I want to get out of this trade because I want to see if the code is right. Actually, this is a good place to enter right here because we're close to the exit. We're close to the exit door, so let me take another 30 bucks or whatever. Why not? That was like free money. Hey, we're back there again. Ah, this time you didn't fail me. Too bad. 1 minute didn't close above the swing high though, eh? We wicked it, we wicked it, we wicked it, but we didn't close above it. Interesting. So is this a short right here? Okay. There we go. Look at that. How beautiful. Got out for the 3 lot. So that means I can continue the logic and add the other one. Add the second take partial for 20 points. Let's see if I can get it all set up before the next trade triggers. Oh, I have to make one change here. Okay, it's done. Let's get it loaded. Locked and loaded. I didn't read your whole message, but I saw donkey. I'm laughing. Hold on. Remove. Let me just add the algo before it fucking triggers. Cocksuckers. Long. Boom. Okay. Sim 101. There we go. We got it. We need a pop-up donkey named Chase the Jackass for when we get caught chasing the monkey. Okay, 4 lot. When the bar closes to the upside, it'll enter in the... Oops, that was an error on my part. I hope I can fix it. Hey, what'd you do? You gave me the chance to fix it. I did such a good recovery today. Okay, let's create a donkey. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Okay, well, until unless this trade stops out, I'll try and wiggle out of it. I'm curious if that's my stop, but I don't even know. It's so rare there's a 1. Oh, yeah, it's at the same level. Okay, so we're almost there. Let's fully commit to stupidity. $23, $22, $21. Maybe it's time for a sip of coffee. Oh, going lower. 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, of course. Okay, close. Take my loss. Where's that jackass? Where's that donkey jackass pop up? Don't have me yet. The day is young. Okay, that minimized some of the damage. I'm gonna calmly scalp my way out of this. At least I'm gonna try. So what do we got? We are long, no, short. If it's the most recent, then we are still short on the 1 minute. What about the 2 minute? The 2 minute is long. And the 5 minute is long. 2 minute, 5 minute are long. That almost means that find a good entry on the 1 minute to the upside. Okay, so a little bit of a recap. It's been a while. Opened at 790. 20 minutes later, traded down to 650. That's 140 points down. And since then, we've been gradually trading higher. Currently trading at 708. Just imagine a couple of waves from 650. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Got us all the way up to 740. But now we're at 21,709. Chop. You know what? Oh, you use Prism. I was going to say, Omnis, I'll create the donkey and I'll send it to you. Put it on your channel, but you use Prism. I don't know if it works the same way. But you should be able to play. Send it to me. Oh, well, yeah, when I create it. Are you able to group an audio with, well, forget it. Forget the audio bullshit. Are you able to group 2 items together so that when you enable it? No, it's here, let me show you. Put it up here, go to the top. Let's say effect push. Push. It's a picture of OFT and an audio. So if I turn them off and I enable the group, see, I grouped them. When I group it, it plays everything inside the group. So it plays the audio.
Push. Come on, push now. Do nice push for us. Yes. Come on, push.
And then the picture, which is just him. if I just enable the picture. But I group them together. So I close the group. It's turned off now. I open them. And then when I open the group, when I visual or make it visual, whatever, enable it,
Come on,
it plays
push
both of them
now.
at the same
Do
time.
nice push for us. Yes.
Yeah, no, I don't make it into an MP. I don't make it into an MP4. So it'd be a doc image. Yeah, okay. I mean, I could create it as an MP4. I just thought this way would use less resources on the computer. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of ideas I want to create. I'm not sure if it was you or Woodchip, but there's another one. It's called, they said, clean up on aisle 8. Like, when you do something stupid like I just did, where I was so long, such a large size, and I got stopped out for like $800. Clean up on aisle 8. I came up with that one. That one was funny. Not me. It's getting quiet again. I can feel it. And we're coming close to the end of the trading session. I'm going to make a move. I got to make a move soon. Because I don't want to leave with minus 720. Five-minute long. 2-minute long. Oof. We're going to go with that. I just wanted $200 on that trade. I would have taken it. That would have brought me down to minus 500. Then one more swing at a bat. Okay. Minus 512. One more swing at a bat. At the right moment. And I can go into, oh, it's not the weekend tomorrow. It's Friday. Why do I keep thinking tomorrow is the weekend? I'm going to get an official trade that's going to trigger on the top step charts at 21. Let's try and get 4 points better. It's filled me on a 1 lot, then it's filled me on a 2 lot. Now I'm going to pray that it goes to 21 because I got in early. And if it goes to 21, then I'm in 4 points better. But this is almost always. I think twice in my career almost. When I get in early, it actually triggers. There we go, triggered. Wonderful. So now we have a 70% chance to go to 28 bid. If that's the case, this size should do it. And hopefully, because I'm oversized, the market doesn't say, we'll punish you again. And we'll make it a losing trade. Market has a wonderful way of doing that for some strange reason. Let's go. Okay, now we just got a 10 lot. A 10 lot at 17. And we're trying for 28. That's 11 points. It'll be 200 and something. That'll be not bad if we get there. And if I lose, Let's put in the sell limit. There we go. If we get there, wonderful. I'll be down just 100 and something bucks, given that I was down 1,000 just like a few minutes ago. Now we wait. We let it cook. 11:30. I'd like to close up for the day already. Shit. You're not gonna be kind to me, yeah? You're gonna give me a fucking loser. We're not there yet, but 14.7. It's at 07. 4 points away from being stopped out. Shit. And then we got all these swing lows here that it could just wick and go back up, but every time I do that, it ends up being a huge fucking candle down. Let's go back up. Come on, you can do it. Not asking too much. Turn green again. It's not bad. There we go. There we go. Now it's the time to use it.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
It's time to use it now. I need it to go. Before I was just showing it, but now I need it. Let's go. Give me the OFT magic. Come on, let's go. Get over 21. Let's get over 721. Do I have to use it again? What are we going to do? Let's open up the chart. Whatever. It is what it is. We're not going to stress. It's not that large of a size, so. That's the thing with scalping actively. You have to keep swinging the bat, and then eventually you hit a nice one. But most of the times it's singles and doubles. But then it's three outs and all the guys on base come in, which kind of means that you just tread water. A little up, a little down, a little up, a little down. You're not going anywhere. You're not scoring any points. But then comes the inning when you get a single and a double and a double and a triple and a triple and a home run, and they all round third base and score. That's what I'm waiting for. But the problem is I'm running out of time. It's 11:34. It's kind of like being in the top of the seventh or the bottom of the seventh inning. There you go. Took me out. Okay. Okay. Who the fuck is that? Well, I don't know who you are, so I'm not answering your phone call. I don't know any Paul. I'm thinking, yeah, I mean, if there's, the markets are open. And I have accounts left. I gotta make my move, guys. I'm running out of time. I'm doing it now. Go. Come on. Pull. Go lower. I don't know if I chased. I don't know. I'm chasing time. That's what I'm chasing. There we go. There we go. Let me close. Down 335. I don't want to end red today. Did Paul just send me a whole bunch of messages? Does anybody know who Paul is? Are any of you guys named Paul? And he just called me? I have bad news for you, Paul. I'd never even set up my voicemail. So I don't even know how to get your messages. Omnius posted a TikTok if anyone wants to go check it out and give it some likes and some love and some shares and some comments. We Can You. That's the title of it. I don't even get it. We Can You. Find out what's new from your friends. We Can You. Where do you get your titles from? Seriously, like I look at that all the time. We Can You. Go to TikTok. I don't know. It says Omnius posted a new video. Butterflies can't see the color of their wings, but us humans can see how beautiful they are. It's this blonde again. Likewise, you might not think you're good enough, but others see how special and amazing you are. We Can You. That's the title of it. Your titles are always fucking amazing. Let's give it a like. Let's give it a comment. Of course, it has to be a sarcastic comment. Can you me? Nah, I won't do that. Yeah, comment's a comment, right? Nobody knows. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Stop. Butterflies. Butterflies. Hold on, I'll post a comment later. We can you. So apparently, guys, butterflies can't see how beautiful I am. Fucking butterflies. They can't see how beautiful I am. Ah, that was a typo. What do you give yourself 45 seconds to post a video? Hurry! Oh, wait a minute. Let's get this back up again. Isn't my deal me in loaded? No, it's not. You see, if I had Nightbot, I would have this message. Actually, I'm going to write that down too. Shouldn't just have messages that use your discount code and blah, blah, blah. Nightbot should put up messages like that too. Little reminders, little blurbs for people. You know what? Let me just put it in Word. $11:40, 20 minutes left. Very hard to work on a phone. I don't know how you guys do that. But you're always using the same girl with the billowing blonde hair. I'm starting to fall in love with her. I'm getting attached to her. Change it up. It's like the politicians when they put their posters during an election and you see their pictures, so you like them after a while, and then you vote for them. I'm ready to vote for her. Is she running for president? Okay, we broke a low. Let's try one more time. Hopefully I don't get punished. Whoa! Down 126. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now let's wait for a legitimate trade. Let's bring our size down to a 10 lot. And we've recovered. Oh, Paul is sending me more messages. Sorry, Paul. Paul sent me one urgent voicemail. Well, Paul, you should have known better. Doesn't anybody want to know what Paul had to say? I'm kind of curious. We'll never know. Are you home? That's the video is telling you. No, you have so many of them. You had the one with the shirt where I said, hey, I like it. I'm talking about the shirt. It's always the same girl. They won't let me put in the thumbnail. Really? Oh, I'm not there anymore, but you're not really showing any skin or anything. That's weird. I would say try again. The reason why I would say that is because my theory was that they didn't let you put it in because it was kind of like promotional content. But no, I mean, just telling someone that they're a butterfly, or the butterflies, butterflies are free or whatever. Anyways, okay, all joking aside, the message in there is not promotional content. That's what I want to say. Don't look, I don't have to make jokes all the time. Yeah, the message in there isn't promotional, so okay. Or they're getting stricter on AI content, which I would find weird because as we get more and more advanced with AI, it's going to be more and more AI content. Eventually, in 300 years from now, we're all going to be robots. We're all going to have robot bodies and just a brain. You can't stop change. They told me to use that template. I don't know. Everyone, you guys, Fishing Slots Florida has an AI coach telling them what to do on Bulenox, when to trade, how much to trade. You got TikTok telling you to do things. How come no one tells me anything? I get nothing. I guess my videos suck. They don't want more of them. Shh, don't tell him anything. Let him stop posting. Shit, my wife's gonna bug me to go to Costco today. I am so not in the mood to go to Costco. Wow. So they tell you to use the template and then and then they tell you can't use it. Are you sure it's TikTok that's telling you? Maybe you just were on a video and it's, let's say a video by Jane Morgan. I don't know, I'm just making up the name. And and at the bottom of the video on the left side, it says made with CapCut or CapCut template. Maybe is that you're talking about, or it's actually TikTok contacting you? Maybe just Jane Morgan got away with using a template that shouldn't be used. I haven't even really taken a look at your channel. I mean, I watch your videos because they get suggested to me, but I never really took a look at your channel. Second wave of Iranian missiles hits. Wow, they come in fast. Anyways, let's go see if I can find Omnius. Omnius, how do I do this? How do I find the people I'm following? Oh, there. One 146, 116, 68, 2, 84. Okay. Yeah, standard numbers. I've got to get back to posting. How much time's left? How much time's left at Picker Video, add music, they do the rest. I need to start a meme channel. That's hard work. You got to be creative. How much time's left on the game clock? 11:49. I'm not even sure if we close at 12 or 1. Do I take my loss or do I swing the bat one more time? Anybody want to give me advice? I was never up on this today. I was down as much as 980 and I'm currently down 126. That was those moves I just took. They do all the work. Yeah, you have to show me. Ah, it's on the cell phone. Yeah, okay. I tell my daughter to show me. She knows how to use TikTok, but she says, Dad, you got to do it yourself. You'll never learn if I show you. No, I will learn if you show me. I'll learn if you show me. I'll learn if I use videos to do it. Either way, I'll learn. Just if you show me, it'll go faster. No, I'm not showing you, Dad. Gotta love her. Gotta love her. That's how I learned, Dad. I played with it. You gotta play with it. You'll learn. Yeah. I'm not cooking supper tonight. Go learn how to make your own supper. Hard to know what to do, but right now it's kind of like a long. 2-minute is bearish. 5-minute is bullish. That's bullish bearish. And the 1-minute is bullish. Bullish bearish bullish. We're bullish bearish bullish actually, and top step is bearish. So we're bullish bearish bullish bearish. I'm gonna go bearish. Let's see if I can end my day green. 11:51. It's the fourth quarter with 2 minutes left. I'm in a basketball game now. Now I'm not in a. Now I'm not using a baseball analogy. No more innings. Now I'm in a basketball game. Down 42. Did you see my giraffe video? No. Wow, 6-second eval video. Okay, I'm down 42. Let's go to a 5 lot. I don't want to get myself into trouble. Oh, look who's short. Look who is short. Hey, the buck catching a short. YouTube. Okay, I'll take a look. Again, I don't get how you come up with these things. I don't want to be rude, but what are you smoking over there? A butterfly can't see how beautiful you are. Okay, I'm manipulating it. It's a butterfly can't see how beautiful it is. Oh God, I gotta close it. Come on, the day is ending. I'm ending Sim 101 nicely green. A giraffe video. I'm sitting here trying to break my head over content for trading videos based on psychology and trading setups, and well, of course I'm not putting them out because it's so much work, and I get 8 views and he's posting videos with giraffes. 2,500 views. Can I show it on my channel? Let's go see the giraffe video. A 6-second video, so it must be a short, obviously, Mike. For those of you that don't know, Mike is my name. Shorts. Those views, 100 views across 3 platforms. A giraffe. No. There we go. Yeah, wow, look at that. Let's go see it. Keep your head high. Oh, there's music. I can't play it. Turned off. Okay, I could play it. Guys, go and bring Omnis's video too. Oops. It's always time to trade. Oh my God, it really is short, eh? No kidding. Where are you getting the music from? YouTube also? There's a YouTube library? Boom. Boom shakalaka. It's long. Gimme. Come on, you motherfucker. Now what am I down? Now I'm down 22.38. You got you phone? You got you phone. Yeah. I got you phone. What about you? You got you phone? I got it right here. I got my phone. Open YouTube app. I don't even know if I have a YouTube app. Are you supposed to have a YouTube app? I just watch YouTube from Chrome. I'm bugging you. I got YouTube. I not only have YouTube, I have YouTube Studio. Okay, I'm in. All I see are video suggestions. Oh shit, we're going down. Press plus? I don't have a plus anyway. Oh, look at that. Right there in the middle. Never saw it. Allow YouTube to record audio. Do I allow YouTube to record audio? Or do I say no? Add from gallery. No, it's asking me first, allow YouTube to record audio. While using this app, only this time, don't allow. Oh, man. I'm losing on this trade. I don't know. Okay, so only this time. Okay, now I got a thing with I'd like to record, like to make a video here. And you said add from gallery. Oh, add right there. Add. Allow YouTube to access photos and videos on this device. Oh no, you said the gallery. Allow all. I don't give a shit. Okay, I'm getting hammered on this trade, and there's 3 minutes left potentially. Shit, that was $22 away. Well, you know what? Let's go for the Hail Mary. I'm either going to be green today or I'm going to be down 1,000, even though I was only down $22. How's that for a stupid decision? Come on, get down there. Oh, look at that. Take me out, you motherfucker. I am down $18. Create, it's at the top. Nah, I don't know. I must have gotten lost. Let's try again. Press the plus button. Press plus. Add from gallery. Add. Create. Creating content using Gen AI features on YouTube. You're responsible for the content that you create. Create. Yes, create. It's at the top. Yeah. Continue. Describe what you would like to create. Okay. Give me a description. Tell it a pic? You mean just a pic? Open quotations, A space PIC, close quotations? Or give it a prompt for a picture? I would assume you mean give it a prompt for a picture. Okay. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. No. Angry prop firm trader using a chainsaw to cut up his monitor and his computer because he lost money today. Other traders watching in shock and awe. Create. So then what happens? Then I just post? Can't create images like that? Seriously? Okay, so no chainsaw. Too violent. Angry trader using his hands to push his monitor and keyboard on the floor because he lost money today. Can't create images like that. Okay, why can't you create an image? Maybe the prompt is too long. Angry trader using his hands to push his monitor and keyboard on the floor. That's it. Create. Okay. Maybe the prompt was too long. 12:01. Markets are still trading. I can still turn this green. Oh, wow. Okay, so choose your image. This guy looks funny. Create a video. Okay. I already forgot all the steps. You're going to have to walk me through it again, but this is interesting. I forgot even if I was on YouTube or TikTok. To be old with no memory. 80%, 95. Okay, that looks good and realistic. Continue. 6 seconds. Oh, you can make it 15 seconds also. I don't know how, but anyways. Done. Add sound. Okay, now what? Check mark. Next. Add details. By uploading, you agree that your use of YouTube music for this and future uploads is for personal, non-commercial use only. Okay. Title, Dream Screen AI. Put in a title, I guess. Oh, I'm so tempted to put in Omnius on a bad day. I'm so tempted. Oh, I don't know. I didn't see how to do text. I'll figure that later. I'm so tempted. I'm waiting for you to say do it. Okay, yeah. I'll go with me on a bad day. Me on a bad day. Oh, I get it. Way better. Me after a bad day trading. And hashtag shorts. I think you have to do that. Okay. Let's put in other hashtags. Hashtags trading. Okay, enough. Now what? Title. Is there a description? Dream Screen AI. Yeah, I have that. I did in shorts. Oh, viral video? Okay, let's try viral video also. I have hashtag Dream Screen AI, hashtag shorts, hashtag trading. And let's do hashtags viral video. Are you rolling your eyes and saying how slow how slow is he? Viral video. But again, there's no description. I don't see a place to put in a description. Okay, upload short. That's it. Uploading your videos. Mother of God, that's fast. See video. It's black. Oh, there's no thumbnail? How do you choose the thumbnail? It's just black. Me after a bad day trading. Video unavailable. This video is unavailable. Okay, what'd you do? You just got my channel blacklisted. I can't see what you got. Uploading. Yeah, I uploaded it, but now it says video unavailable. Maybe it needs time to think. Or maybe I missed a step. But that's interesting. That's fun. Let me open up Chrome and go to my channel. Futures Floor, YouTube Studio. What did you do? I don't know. I clicked upload video. Oh no, he's there. I got a thumbnail now. I think it just took time to digest. Add a description. Okay, I'll add a description. Tell when my wife vacuums under my chair while trading and I lose weight and I blow my account. Save. Look at mine. It says unavailable. Yeah, I know I'm getting that too, but I think something went wrong. Please try again. Oh, it's starting to work. I think it just needs time. I'm still down $18. I'm not trading. Oof. Content. Let's see. Shorts. Let's just go to my regular channel. Yeah, it's showing up now. Yeah, it's working. I think it just needed time to digest. Bad day trading. Look at mine. Did you see mine? No, you just posted one? Let's go. You show me yours, I'll show you mine. Omnius. Algo Box has 211 people watching, and I got 6. Hey! Bad day trading. Oh, fucking guy gets the chainsaw. I wonder why you wouldn't let me chainsaw a fucking, that's good. I like yours. Better than mine. Futures Floor channel. Let me just go make sure mine's working again. Shorts. Look how much fun I'm having. Should have been more in slow motion. Okay. Go and like my video. Everyone go and like my short. That's an order. Omnius. Then go like Omnius' short. We're not going to post more of these funny videos to entertain you. And go watch his video. What? No, not that one. Here, I'll tell you which one to go watch. My favorite Omnius video. You know what? I don't know if you just got lucky with your prompt or whatever. Or if you're using the same prompt for the girl, because it always looks like the same girl. But that's the one thing ChatGPT can't do. It wasn't able to really get me an attractive girl. I tried, yeah, it's not the same girl. I don't know, what are you typing in? Blonde, long hair, looks like Britney Spears? No joke, I'm being serious. How do you get the girl to look good? What's your prompt? And they always look so similar. Blonde girl, that's it? Wow. Well, when my wife comes home today, I'm going to tell her to dye her hair blonde. I hope she's not on the stream. Blonde girl dancing. Wow. No, you type that into, who was I doing my videos with and my pictures? I was using image effects. I don't know. I was using a lot of them. I was using Grok. I was using Grok a lot. And there was one other AI that I was using. PicLumen, I think it was. It had a real hard time. You want to see the fucking ugly girls? And I was saying I was using words like super attractive, model, runway model, beauty pageant winner, all kinds of terms like that. And what a bunch of, I won't say dogs, but seriously, it just couldn't come up with a good-looking woman. I mean, some of them are not bad, but let me see where my inventory of girls are. Anyways, I can't post girls. My daughter gets angry at me. She tells me I'm a pedophile. If I use girls in any of my videos or pictures or anything. Where are you? Where are you, ladies? Ah, here we go. Top ones look like Tulsi Gabbard. Oops. This one's not bad. And then these two over here, she kind of looks like the other one also. They look kind of the same. But yeah, that was the best I was able to get. And that was after working really hard. Yeah, I did. Unless I intended to, and then I just got distracted. Streamers, Omnius. Shorts. Let me see. Oh, you're right. I didn't. Yeah, Megan, what's up? Really? I did all that fucking talking for nothing? I wasted all my good material. I did this. I was saying I turned my account green. $1.34. $1.32. From almost down 1,000. Not bad. Orders. I'm a good scalper. You know what? I really am. long as you take your losses, not you, as long as I take my losses, I'm always able to recover. Only when I don't take my losses, I blow the accounts usually. Oh, and oversize, like way oversized. I mean, I did take some very large oversized positions, but I also did take some trades and allowed the loss to go farther than it should have, so kind of balanced out. Anyways, it is what it is. I'm thinking I'm going to trade this. I was saying that I'm cutting out. It's 12:22. I'm going to go spend time with Blonde Girl Dancing. And I'll either be back streaming today at 5:45 p.m. if my wife doesn't drag me shopping to Costco. If I can get out of that, then I'll stream at 5:45 p.m. And if not, then I'll be streaming tomorrow morning at 9:15 or earlier. I try to come on earlier. And aside from that, guys, take care. Thanks for showing up. It was fun. Had some good laughs. And that's it. The algo did great. See you later, guys.
Let's say trading great again. You just thought of this to say. We watch all of your streams, cause it's not fun to trade alone. It wasn't just your trades, it's your blood, your sweat, your code. Patrick blazed the trail, roaring loud into the air. We've watched him carve his name, we've studied every stair. Now here we are, my brothers, future's floor is at your door. We've learned from all your battles, and we crave the trading war. Gonna take a chance and prove our name. That's the price to play this trading game. Future star. Future store, come and trade on the floor. Future store, come and trade on the floor. Trade on the floor. Future store is the stream you really need to see. Wow, 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 wow.